What is workplace bullying? Workplace bullying is a verbal, physical, social, or psychological abuse by your employer or manager, another person or group of people at work. Workplace bullying can happen in any types of workplace, from offices to shop, cafes, restaurant, workshop, community group, and government organizations. Workplace bullying can happen to volunteer, work experience, student, interns, apprentices, casual, and permanent employees. Example of workplace bullying. First, repeated hurtful remarks or attack or making fun of your works or you as a person, including your family, sex, sexuality, gender, identity, race or culture, education or economic background. Second, including you or stopping you from working with people or taking part in activities that relate to your work. Third, intimidation, making you feel less important and undervalued. Fourth, giving you pointless tasks that have nothing to do with your job. 5. Giving you impossible job that can't be done in the given time or with the resources provided. 6. Deliberately changing your work hours or schedule to make it difficult for you. 7. Deliberately holding back information you need for getting your work done properly. And the last, initiation or hazing, where you are made to do humiliating or inappropriate thing in order to be accepted as a part of the team.
How bullying can affect your work. If you are being bullied at work, you might experience this. Be less active or successful. Be less confident in work. Feel scared, stressed, anxious, or depressed. Have your life outside the work affected? For example, study or relationships. Want to stay away from work? Feel like you can trust your employee or the people who you work with? Lack confidence and happiness about yourself and work. What you need to know if you are being bullied at work. First, bullying and abuse. If you are under 16 years old, bullying and violence may also be child abuse. Bullying and discrimination. Bullying may also be discrimination if it is because of your age, sex, pregnancy, race, disability, sexual orientation, religion, or certain other reasons. Sexual harassment and racial hatred are also against the law. Responsibility of employers. Your employee has a legal responsibility under the Occupational Health and Safety and Anti-Discrimination Law to provide a safety workplace. Employers have a duty care for your health and well-being bills at work. An employer that allows bullying to occur in the workplace is not meeting this responsibility.
Here are some tips of what you can do if you are experiencing bullying at work. First one is to make sure you're informed. Check to see if your workplace has a bullying policy and complaints procedure. The next one is keep a diary, documenting everything that happens, including what you've done to try stopping it. This can help if you make a complaint. The next one is approach the bully. If you feel safe and confident, you can approach the person who is bullying you and tell them that their behavior is unwanted and not acceptable. If you are unsure how to approach them, you might be able to get advice from an appointed contact person or from a colleague or manager. Next one is tell someone at your work. Your workplace will usually have a process for making a complaint and resolving disputes, which might be include warning requiring the bully to have counseling, a mediation process, or even firing the bully if the situation continues. The person to talk to might be your supervisor or manager, a harassment contact officer, or a health and safety representative if your work has one. The last one is get information and advice. If the bullying is serious, if the situation has not changed after complaining to your manager, or if there is not anyone you can safely talk to at your work, you can get outside information and advice. General tips to avoid workplace problem. The first thing you need to do is to encourage everyone at the workplace to act towards others in a respectful and professional manner. Second thing is have a workplace policy in place that includes a reporting system. Next is to educate everyone that bullying is a serious matter. And also try to work out solutions before the situation gets serious or out of control. Next thing is to educate everyone about what is considered bullying and whom they can go to for help. Also treat all complaints seriously and deal with complaints promptly and confidentially. And also train supervisors and managers in how to deal with complaints and potential situations. Encourage them to address situations promptly whether or not a formal complaint has been filed. And the last one is have an impartial third party help with the resolution if necessary. And here are the things that you must not do to avoid workplace problem. The first one is to ignore any potential problems. And the second one is to do not delay resolution. Act as soon as possible.